In front of me I have Polar M430 and I'm gonna show you how to set up an alarm clock on this device. First, let's press the right upper button a few times and find settings. Then let's press the middle button to enter. In settings, let's use the lower right button to scroll down and find watch settings. And let's enter by pressing the middle button. Here let's select the alarm. Here we can choose how often it's gonna repeat. For example, once, Monday to Friday, or every day. Let's select once for example. Here we can change the hours by pressing the right lower button and right upper button. Then let's press the middle button to switch to minutes. And let's just change some minutes right here. And let's confirm by pressing the middle button. Like that. To turn it off, we just go into alarm again and select off and press the middle button. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.